How to open a Fifth Third Bank loan account. First of all, you need to decide which type of loan fits your needs, whether it's a personal loan, auto loan, home equity loan, or mortgage. Each loan type has its own application process and requirements. Visit the official Fifth Third Bank website to explore loan options and check eligibility requirements. Next, gather all the necessary documents such as your ID, proof of income, employment details, and credit information. These documents helps the bank access your loan application quickly. Then, you can either start your loan application online by filling out the form with your personal and financial details, or visit the nearby Fifth Third Bank branch to apply in person with the help of a banking representative. During the application, you will be asked about the loan amount, loan term, and purpose of the loan. Be sure to review the interest rates and repayment options carefully before submitting your application. After submission, the bank will process your application and may contact you for additional information or clarification. Loan approval time varies depending on the type of the loan, but you can often get a decision within a few business days. Once approved, you will receive the loan agreement documents to review and sign. Make sure you understand all the terms and conditions before signing. Finally, the loan amount will be disbursed to your designated account or used to pay the intended service directly depending on the loan type. And that's it. Now you know how to open a Fifth Third Bank loan account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.